Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to talk about problem solving. And when we problem solve in math, sometimes we add, sometimes we subtract, sometimes we divide, and sometimes we even multiply. For the sake of kindergarten today, we are only going to talk about adding when we use problem solving. And when we read the problem, we have to be sure to listen carefully to figure out what the author wants us to know, what they want us to do. Okay. And so today, that's what we're going to do. We are going to practice problem solving. So we have these bears here, and we are going to pretend like these bears are different animals because we are going to be talking about animals in our word problems. Okay. So for this problem, there are three chickens, and these three chickens are in a barn. How many legs are there in all? So there are three chickens. So I'm going to use a pink bear, a red bear, and an orange bear to represent my chickens. Okay. So they want to know how many legs are in all. Well, how many legs are on a chicken? That's right. Usually there are two legs on a chicken. So we're going to use these bears to represent our chickens. And these bears each have two legs. So that works out perfectly. So what should we do to figure out how many legs we have in all? We could count them. That's right. What else can we do? We could draw a picture. That's right. What else could we do? We could draw a picture, or we could even count by twos. So let's see. Let's just count them for now and see what answer we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job. What happens if we count by twos? Do you think we get a different answer? 2, 4, 6. Wow, we got the same answer. So we can use multiple strategies and still come up with the same answer. So this time we are going to talk about some sheep. So let's think about this for a minute. How many legs does a sheep have? 4 legs. So this problem says there are 3 sheep in a barn. There are 3 sheep. So let's see. 1, 2, 3 sheep. How many legs are there in all? Well, you just told me that sheep have 4 legs. So we're going to use 2 bears to represent our sheep so that we can have 4 legs. How about that? So let's count our legs. How many legs do we have if we have 3 sheep? Let's see. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 legs. What happens if we count by twos? Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So changing our strategy did not change our answer. Excellent job. So let's see. Let's try one more. And this one may be a little bit trickier. So this time there are 7 animals in the barn. And the animals are chickens and sheep. How many legs could there be? So let's see. I think there's 4 chickens in the barn. 4 chickens in the barn. But we know that there's 7 animals. So if there's 7 animals in the barn, how many sheep do we need in order to have 7 animals? That's right. We need 3. What do we know about our sheep? How many legs do they have? Our sheep have 4 legs, and our bears only have 2 legs. So we need to use a couple more bears just so that we can have those extra feet, right? So, how many feet or legs do we have in all? What strategies could we use to figure it out? We could count them all. That's right. What else could we do? We could count by twos. That's right. Anything else you could think of? You could draw little tally marks or circles. Yeah. So let's use our counting by twos strategy. Are you ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So how many legs do our 7 animals have in our barn? 20. That's right. What happens if I take away one of our sheep and I add another chicken? Do you think our answer would change? Let's find out. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Wow, our answer did change. Okay, guys. Well, I hope you are having a great Wednesday, and I will see you next week. Please go to Seesaw. There will be a word problem activity for you to do so that you can have more practice with word problems and problem solving. Bye.